How to turn off sensitive content on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off sensitive content on X, formerly known as Twitter, step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and support. And now here under settings and support, simply tap settings and privacy. And now here once you are in the settings section, simply tap on privacy and safety, and here under the privacy and safety, simply select the option that says content you see. And now here under the content you see, you simply have to change two options. So here first you have to go through the search settings, and now here you simply have to toggle off the option that says hide sensitive content. And with that, you have to go back and change another thing. To do that, simply tap on sensitive media, and now here you simply have to select show all on all the three options. And now here, once you have done this, it will automatically turn off sensitive content on X. And that's it. That's how you can turn off sensitive content on X. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.